Scott Souther here. A lot of people have been talking about my new Dumb Days with the one and only Joseph Vaca. But he's not here right now. I'm sorry about that. He couldn't make it. Got a lot of inboxes asking me, where's that kid? He needs to be in more of your videos. Where is that kid? He needs to be in more of your videos. Make him the co-star. Well, I am, YouTube. This is for all you guys that love Joseph. Alright? I know you saw his painful stunt that I told him not to do, but he decided, you know, what the fuck, and what can I lose? So he did it. He fell on his face. I beat him with a couple of chairs, threw a box at him. You know, the good shit. So, I talked to Joseph. He said he's got to talk with some people, see if he can make arrangements to be here every time I make a video. And you might have starring Scott Souther, co-starring Joseph Vaca. I believe you could check out Joseph's channel at Joseph's, the name of his channel is josephsphone@gmail.com. He named it that for some, I don't know. But, you can check that out. I don't know if I got the right channel name. I'm gonna have to talk to him on that one. So just check it. If it's not it, it's not it. I'm sorry, guys. It's Joseph's Phone something. Maybe Joseph's Phone 11@gmail. Try both of those. So, you guys like Joseph. I understand that. I will get him in more videos. I don't know if there'll be any painful videos like that because, like I said in the comments, that was not planned. I didn't plan that. He just decided to get up on the chair. Well, I did plan for him to get up on the chair, but I didn't explain it. Left-footed hunter! Yeah, I don't know what's going on. But, he will be in more videos. I will tell you that much. Maybe not every video I make, but he will be there, okay? That's all really this video was about. And, let's move off Joseph real quick. And Movie Review Fridays, just in a couple of days. And I will be reviewing The Hangover. So, make sure you guys check that out. That'll be a good one. Alright? Thanks, guys. Like, subscribe. Scott Souther out.